Hey everyone, this is Al Backton with KINETIQ. What if planning wasn't another application connected to your data platform? What if planning was part of the platform itself? I'd like to talk to you about what fabric planning is, why it matters, and tell you a story on how one of our clients, a large consumer product goods company today, is using fabric planning for enterprise cross-functional planning instead of as a separate, disconnected process. Fabric planning is planning directly built on top of Microsoft Fabric. This means leveraging your existing data models for connected operational and financial planning. For this client today, this means linking their actuals data to their financial forecasts, planning their revenue based on operational drivers like unit costs, price, and discounts and quantities around demand, modeling scenarios such as best case, worst case, and normal case scenarios from a click of a button, managing workflows, governance, and security through a control tower setup directly within Fabric Planning, and taking advantage of AI-assisted forecasting for predictive intelligence, as well as Copilot for various different agentic use cases. How this fits into Fabric is one lake for unified data, Power BI for reporting and analytics, Fabric Planning for unified planning, meaning one data foundation, one platform, and one model. Why this matters for this client is faster connected enterprise-wide planning, leading to faster decision-making and less data movement. This is now turning planning, taking not days, but seconds. If you're investing in Microsoft Fabric or evaluating your planning modernization strategy, join our upcoming webinar and see how organizations are building planning directly into Microsoft Fabric.